How to report lost baggage to Xiamen Airlines. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can report lost baggage to Xiamen Airlines. So in order to do that, the first step is to log into your Xiamen Airlines website this way. And then once you've done that, the next step would be for you to reach out to Xiamen Airlines Baggage Inquiry Department team as soon as you notice that your baggage is missing. And how do you do that? Just go to the top part of your screen, click on the plus icon to open a new tab, and then in the search box type out Xiamen Airlines Baggage Inquiry team. Okay, just go ahead to type that out and click on the enter option or the search icon, and then once you've done that, you'll be brought to the page where you can now see answers to your question. All right, so just scroll down until you can see contact numbers of Xiamen Airline Baggage Inquiry. And scrolling down also you can see baggage tracking, baggage essentials, baggage instructions, baggage fees and policy, or the contact number of Xiamen Airlines. So you can decide to make use of any of these options. So in case you want to call instead, you can just click on the contact number of Xiamen Airlines Baggage Inquiry. And by doing that, you'll be taken to the page where you would see the contact numbers as well as the email. All right, so you can just go ahead to send to fill out email, to send a message to the email, sorry, or to call the numbers that I've made available. By calling the numbers that I've made available, a form will be sent to you for you to fill. Ensure you fill this form. After filling this form, send the completed questionnaire via email to the baggage inquiry center that's accepted your report, and then after you've done that, wait for a while and then visit the lost and found office located in the arrival hall of the terminal, and from there your lost baggage will be reported and the response will be sent to you via your email. So this is how you can report lost baggage to Xiamen Airlines. Thank you for watching and have a good day.